This is a full demo of this tire inflator. Power it on here, hold it down to power it on, and then it's when you first start it, it's on car mode, and it has 36 pounds of pressure. So we're going to screw it in. As soon as we screw it in, it's going to start letting out air, so you need to do that pretty quickly. And then once you get it screwed on, we're going to press start. And so here, my tire already has 38 pounds, so it's not going to run because it's set to 36. But if we turn that up to 38 and a half, and it automatically cuts off after it's full. It comes with all of the other adapters you need for bike, or it has a charging port on the top where you can charge your cell phone, USB, or it has a USB-C plug as well, and it comes with its own little charging cable. It also has a light that works in 3 different modes: solid light, slow flashing, and fast flashing. And I will demo that in a darker area. And then to cut this thing off, just hold down the button and it says off. Here are the different modes. We have the car, and you can see the little icon at the top. Switching to motorcycle, which is set to 32 pounds. You can also adjust that. Bicycle, ball, and then here's the custom. You can set that up as well just by using the plus and minus, and it goes up by a half a pound each time. Here is the light. You can see it's a nice LED light. And then it also has a slow flashing as well as a fast flashing. Cute.